Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Mac OS is up to date and note the network name and password. Then reboot your Mac and the router to clear transient issues. Once restarted, toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, forget the network and rejoin. This clears saved settings. If connection still fails, boot into safe mode to rule out login item interference and make sure location is set to automatic in network preferences so changes apply cleanly. Next, you perform deeper system fixes. Reset NVRAM and the SMC to clear low-level network state. This often resolves hardware radio problems. Then, in Finder, remove the network plist files from /library/preferences/system configuration and reboot. Mac OS will recreate clean configurations. After reboot, open Network Preferences, create a new location, add Wi-Fi, and ensure IP4 is set to DHCP. Finally, run wireless diagnostics from the Wi-Fi menu and follow suggested fixes. Save the diagnostics report for later. Test the same network with another device to isolate router versus Mac problems and create a new admin user to determine if the issue is user-specific. If wireless still fails, inspect system information for the Wi-Fi card status. If it reports hardware faults, schedule Apple service and provide the serial number. If you're stuck, the diagnostics report is the single most useful troubleshooting artifact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.